Imagine Empire State Building, now shrink to smaller than a cell. This is the size of the Holodoc nanobots that navigate your body precisely. With artificial gravity, they easily penetrate the blood-brain barrier, detecting the sick cells accurately and starting targeted intervention. Neurotransmitter vesicule-sized nanobots penetrate cells, improve DNA, regenerate tissues, and restore cell function at molecular levels. We develop multiple types of nanobot, for example, the central nervous system, digestive organ system, circulation, and many other organ systems. In the case of stroke, blood clots are immediately removed, oxygen is ensured, and inflammation is reduced. In the case of glioblastoma, the tumor cells are demolished individually. To treat diabetes, in the beta cells of the pancreas, they promote cell division and prevent the immune system, thus restoring insulin production and cell balance. After the disease, the nanobots stop, but they continue to circulate with other cells in the bloodstream and intervene when they need them again, a lifelong health. We developed the development of nanobots together with our consortium partners, but as opportunities are boundless, join us today, holoharmoniq.com.